Hi everybody, this is JJ Long from JJArtworks and welcome to day 8 of the 30-day painting challenge. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate the love and support. As always, my original paintings come in a gift box. So open it up and it comes with a moment to say thank you, a quick thank you card, as well as a coupon code that you can use on our website. And after the protection, we got a little guy. Yeah, this is painting number 8. I call this Pier by the Lake number 1. As always, my paintings come with hand-painted edges and my signature on the right-hand side, as well as my full signature on the back and an inventory number to signify that it's an original painting. And I had a lot of fun doing this one, you guys. I love painting landscapes and I love painting piers and man-made architecture and nature. So if you are interested in possibly purchasing this painting, just click in the comment section below and type in sold, S-O-L-D, and I will send you a payment link where you can purchase the original painting. No pressure to buy anything. I'm really just kind of doing this 30-day challenge as a way for myself to kind of reignite my inner artist, and it really has been moving around the energy in my life a bit. I can't wait to kind of give you all a rundown of how this 30-day challenge went at the end of 30 days. So thank you all so much for your love and support. Truly appreciate it. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow in another video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.